Well, hello everybody. This is my CVS haul. I haven't done CVS for a few weeks. I got this Crest. It's $3, and when you buy one, you get back $1. And I had a $2 load that I attached to my card, but it did not come off, and I will show you. It is $3, and as the coupons here, I will talk about that in a minute. The Nexus is when you buy two of them, you're going to get back $10. Or if you spend $20, if you spend $20, you're going to get back 10. So that's what I did. I had a 4 off of 20 Nexus, so that right there came off. I did have a 4 off of 18. He wouldn't let me do it. We also had the $5 coupons in the insert this week, so there's two $5 coupons. So that took off $14, and then I got 10 back right there. So that made it $24, and these here are $12.49 each, so that's a total of $24.98. And the Crest right there is $3. So there's the two $5 coupons. There's the 4 off of 20 Nexus. I also had a $5 ECB, a $4 ECB, and a $2 ECB. So that's $9, $10, $11 of ECBs. I paid out of pocket $4.52, and I got back 11, 10 and 1. So I got back 11. So I paid 12 out of pocket, got back 11, but I did pay out of pocket $4.52 cash. So basically, this is my CVS haul. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.